Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can automatically create invoices for the new orders in your store. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So Ecwid is an e-commerce platform where you can sell your products and services digitally, and Xero is an accounting software. So let's take an example that you are a business owner and you have created an online store using your Ecwid account and you are selling your products and services digitally. Now you want that whenever a new order is received in your Ecwid store, automatically an invoice should get generated for your customer using your Xero account. For this, we need to create a connection between Ecwid and Xero, so that whenever the order is received, automatically an invoice is generated. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So in this particular automation, we are using Ecwid. So in place of Ecwid, you can use any other e-commerce platform, and in place of Xero, you can also use FreshBooks, QuickBooks or any other accounting software. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So we are back on my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Ecwid to Xero integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to create the invoices for all the new orders that we are receiving on the store, that your Ecwid store. So open this trigger window and choose the application name as Ecwid. Select the trigger event as new order. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Ecwid. Authorization successful, and now the Ecwid account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Ecwid account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Ecwid account. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we are going to create a new order in our Ecwid account. Just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. So I'll just move to my Ecwid account, and from here I'm just going to open my store. Okay, and here we are going to just make an order for the smartphone. Let us add it to the bag. Proceed to checkout, and let us give the email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com. Okay, let's click on checkout. Here we are going to add the details. Let's give the full name as Adam Smith. Let's add the phone number. Address as EM 18 Indus Park, Bhopal. City as Bhopal. Let's add the postal code. Set state as Madhya Pradesh and click on continue. Shipping as ₹10. Okay, let's click on continue. Pay by cash. Okay. Here we can find the billing details and let's click on place order. Okay, thank you for your order. So the order has been placed. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the order and the customer are captured over here. Okay, here we can find the total amount. When we scroll down, here we can find the email address, payment method as pay by cash. Let's scroll down. Okay, and here we can find the short description of the product, and here we can find the product name, and here we can find the customer details, his name, his address details, and all other details. So now we want to create an invoice for this particular customer. So for that, come to this action step, choose the application name as Xero, select the action event as create an invoice, click on connect, click on add new connection and click on connect with Xero. Now as I am already logged into my Xero account, it is asking Pabbly Connect wants access to. Let's click on allow and give away the access over here. Authorization successful. And now the Xero account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here you have to select your organization name, which is automatically captured as Pabbly in my case. Here you have to select your type. Is it a bill or it is a sales invoice? So we are going to create a sales invoice. Now here we have to give the name of the customer. So let us give the name from Ecwid and the name was Adam Smith. Here we have to map the email address. So let us map the email address. Here the date needs to be required, defaults to creation date if not specified. So let us map the date, that is today's date. And here we are going to give the due date. If you want to mention some other due date, you can specify over here. At present, I am just going to give the update date this time. Okay. Here let us give the invoice number. So I am just giving the INV underscore and let us map the ID over here. That is the new order ID. So this will be the new invoice number, INV underscore 63. Okay. And here line item types, line amount types, I'm just skipping these details. Country code as Indian rupees, status as, you can select it as per your requirement, draft, submit for approval or authorized. I'm selecting it as authorized. Sent to contact, you can select it as per your requirement, true or false. Okay. Here we have to map the description of the item that was purchased. So let us map the description of the item. Okay, let us find the item name. Android 10 smartphone. Okay, here we'll be mapping the quantity as 1. Here we have to give the unit amount and this was the total amount. And if you want to mention some item code over here, you can specify over here, account code as sales in my case. You can select it as per your requirement. Okay, here if you are having the tax details, you can mention it over here. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see that the response is received. It means a new invoice is created into a Xero account. Let's check it. And here we can see the new invoice number INV underscore 63. It is billed to Adam Smith. Date is 9th April. Amount, here we can find the total amount and status as awaiting payment. And I'll just open the invoice and I'll show it to you. Okay, and here we can find all the details. So in this way, we can see that a correct invoice is generated for the correct customer. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So as we have created an automation between Ecwid and Xero, next time whenever any of your customers is going to place an order on your store, automatically an invoice will get generated into your Xero account. So let's check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just go to my store once again and here we are just going to create another order. Let's order this umbrella right now. And let us add it to the bag. Go to checkout and I'll just change the email address to shweta123@gmail.com. Let's click on checkout. Pay by cash. Okay. and I'll just change the details over here. Let's give the full name as Shweta Verma, and let's change the address also as E4 234 Arera Colony, Bhopal. Okay, and I'll just change the phone number also. City as Bhopal, pin code as 462026, and let's place the order. Thank you for your order. The order has been placed. Okay, now we have to check whether the invoice is generated for this particular customer or not. Let's move to our Xero account. We have to just go back to the business and we'll be moving to the invoices section. We have to refresh this account. Okay, and here we can see a new invoice number, invoice 64. It is billed to Shweta Verma. Date is same. And here we can find the amount as 280. Status as awaiting payment and message as sent. So let us open the invoice and check. Okay, and here we can find the umbrella quantity and here we can find the price 280. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Ecwid and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the order details whenever a new order was placed, and using those details of the order, automatically a new invoice was created into your Xero account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Ecwid and Xero using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.